Alrighty, I'm not doing much ride footage today, but I'm on a country tour trying to find some interesting town names. And we've got Arawata. Most of the little towns around here are just farming properties. But how is that? What a bloody beautiful day for a ride. Now, the video today is likely to be fairly spotty, as I'm not going to keep the GoPro recording while I ride for the most part today. But whenever I come across something like a funny town sign or whatever, I'll just hit record. So I'll check in next time. I just parked here. I was parked up there with the bike on the centre stand. Nearly dropped the thing. If I wasn't standing right next to it, it would have gone straight down the ditch. We are, of course, at my next town entrance. If you can see where I came in, basically dropped the bike, nearly went straight down there. We are, of course, at Poowong. Make of that whatever you will. Yeah, the grass is rather very slick this morning. It's pouring down with the rain already. Oh, it's running down the back of my neck. Oh, it's fucking cold. I knew there was a chance of rain today. I didn't think it would be quite this heavy. So we're in a little bit of twisty mountains. And I thought I'd hit record. Because if I'm going to suck up, it's probably going to be on a day like this. The truth is, I can barely see. The rain is coming so thick and fast. There's the sign to Corumburra, and if it wasn't pouring down, I'd have got in there and taken a video of it. Oh, this is really quite horrible. Ugh. raining so hard, I can't see anything. I'm soaked to the skin. Oh. My visor got so foggy that I couldn't see out of it. I'm going to find somewhere to stop because this is not okay. This is fucked. This is disgusting. My visor's fogging up so badly, I can't see with it down. My original plan is not really working out today. Blue sky's out again. I am saturated through to the skin. Jumbunna Road. We are in Jumbunna. G'day Alley. I think that's the third sign I've stopped for. I didn't stop for Korumburra. Good God. My feet, my everything is saturated. Oh. The sun's come out again though. That's always a good thing. Oh, yuck, I'm so wet. Nearly come a cropper. I did that because I had all those cars behind me right up my arse. But also we've got another street sign. I thought there'd be a siding or something. But no. A little horsey's wondering what the shit I'm doing. Oh, look at this idiot. We are in Moyara. Moyara? Hello, horsies. Hello. It's right, I won't disturb you. Oh. Now the fun part is going to be getting off here. Come to think of it, it was a pretty stupid place to pull off. I came sliding down here. Didn't bin it though, did I? Well, I still got that going for me. Alright, got to be quick here because it's a shit place to park. Here we are, Kongwak. I've got to get off this siding as quick as I can because it is not a good place to be. Day. Just get the helmet off for 2 seconds. Oh. Cool. I'll tell you what, my helmet is very, very, very wet. And we're down. Oh, first drop. Whew. Well, at least I had the GoPro recording for that. See you later, Kongwak. We made it to the coastal road. I just parked the bike here. with the disc lock on. Oh, yeah, it's a good opportunity for me to get out and stretch my legs. I have been on the bike almost consistently for about 3.5 hours. I left this morning at about 7 and I've been on the road constantly ever since. There's a caravan park, is it? It's not where I intended to pop out. I'll find another way around. There's a little bit of different scenery that I can put up on the YouTube at least. Let's see where this side ends up. Oh. Really feeling the pain in my tailbone. And here we are, Cape Patterson Beach. Now, I know the wind noise is going to blow out the GoPro, but what a great little place. Back at the ocean. We're in Kilcunda. More of the ocean. I'm trying to preserve my GoPro battery at this point, but I've decided to do something crazy and ride the opposite direction to home, even though I've been out here for over 4 hours on the bike. So this would be very much a clip show kind of entry into my YouTubing. Gotta love this bike, it's doing so well. We've got 1,550 kilometres on the odometer. It's another 50 kilometres, that's 1,000 miles. Someone asked me to do a 1,000-mile review, and maybe I will when I get home. But for now, GoPro's going off.